Another day here out on this field. Grandpa's just getting started. It's noon. Kind of had a late start. The wind just now picked up. Sun was kind of not out all morning. Cloudy. I think sun's starting to come out now. But wind picked up and all the beans dried out. So we're gonna try it here. And we got the international semi down the center of the field. You can see it down here. I'm gonna take the Volvo here and take it over here, kind of halfway of the field. That way I can just load in the middle, and then we can take the semi. We've got a lane over there, which I'll show you, and we can just take the semi right out that way. So yeah, have a bit of a walk back to the grain cart. So we'll see here. Yes, the semi is manual. It's nice, but I like the automatics. Or this semi is an automatic, excuse me. That one's a manual. The automatics are okay, but I definitely like the manuals more. And there we go. So yeah, he's just now getting started, and we'll move these trucks around and get the grain cart running too. So here are some of the rocks that actually came off this field. And so basically when we tiled this, we had all these rocks that the tile machine broke up. You see where they kind of scraped. And so the tile machine, I think, puts tile, which is perforated pipe though, so water draining off this field a lot more easier. I don't know how deep, it depends. That's a nice sounding truck. And yeah, so the tiling machine brought up all these rocks. This one's fairly big. This one's probably the biggest. And we even have bigger rocks than this. And some of our landscaping that have came off several of these fields. Yeah, just kind of lay of the land where the rocks are at. So I just got to ride down for Grandpa in the combine. Grain cart's at the other end of the field. Wow. And we had to take their national semi, take it down to the lane. We kind of got a lane that's about halfway in the middle of the field. That I think we're parking all the trucks on. It seems to work a little better. So let's get it rolling. Well, so I'm in the combine here and cutting these beans. Beans are yielding fairly well. I bet there's 60 bushel in this right here, but across the whole field it's probably 60 to 55 bushels to the acre. I mean, these are some good beans, really. So now we're just going across the lane I'm talking about. Grandpa's gonna take the Volvo and Dad, we trained him to run the cart now, so we're gonna see how he does in the cart, and see if we can get us a new grain cart operator. So yeah, that's basically what's going on here. We only got probably 15 acres left, 20-ish in this field, so we'll probably need another truck. And then thinking about moving over to the field across from the home farm and cutting those beans for today, and maybe switching over to corn either tomorrow or Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever day. Excuse me. So yeah, that's basically the plan. And yeah, nice sunny day. Well, so we're done in this field. Grandpa just took over the combine again. I finished up the field. Even knocked the head off for the first time. And yeah, he's rolling past me right now. I'm gonna put the rest of this cart into the Volvo, and that'll make it full. Pickup will be here, and the semi will be here, and I'll take this back home. Dad's leaving with his truck to go get Grandpa, then I'd only assume bring back the Volvo and the header that's on Grandpa's pickup. So yeah, I think that's kind of the plan. So yeah, offload these two combine dumps, and we'll be on the road. Well, so we made it home. I'm gonna shut this thing down. I think they went back up to the field to get the semi or the header. I'm not quite sure, but yeah, shut this down, unplug the backup camera, and yeah, it's been a good day. Need to sweep up the pit apparently. A little bit of spillage. Need to put the tarp on this. I'm not sure it's going to rain tonight or not. Kind of gloomy, so it doesn't hurt to throw it on. But yeah, this is probably the end of the video, so I guess we'll see you tomorrow, maybe, as long as it doesn't rain. And yeah, probably the next day or two get shelled corn. I think this piece here is ready next to the house, and there might got some fields that are farther away that might be ready. So yeah, it's kind of worth thinking. So, if you're alright, please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.